Today we're in Great Western Road in the west end of Glasgow and we're rewiring this 4-bedroom flat. This is an Art Deco B-listed private building. It was one of the first private developments in the west end of Glasgow. This development was built in 1940 and most of the flats here will have the original wiring. Not only that, you've got loads of original features in here and that's why the property is B-listed. This is a real challenge for electricians because we've got to be really sympathetic to how we rewire this place. There's intricate cornice, there's fittings that can't be changed, a real challenge for our sparkies on site. Our team are here rewiring in just 3 days. At Home Rewire we specialise in delivering fast. Let me explain what that means. This customer called our office and a survey was organised the next day. When the survey was complete, the quote was issued on the same day. When the customer accepted the quotation, we were able to deliver the rewire within 7 days. And that's what we focus on. Quick surveys, quick quotes, and quick turnaround times. One of the benefits of working with Home Rewire is the strength and depth in our teams. We have multiple rewire teams all across Scotland out there making homes safe every day. Older properties like this are full of character. There's massive demand for them, but make sure you do the right checks. The majority of these homes all need some form of electrical upgrade, and a lot of them might need a full rewire. When you get your new home, make sure you check the electrics. One of the biggest mistakes we see in the industry is people renovating, getting the place looking amazing, and they've still got the old wiring from 1920. That can be a real disaster as we have to pull the place to bits again. There's over 100 flats in this building. Not every single one of them is going to need a rewire. For the ones that don't, we can offer what we call a safety upgrade. That's when our guys come in, test the installation, and providing the results are okay, we can upgrade the consumer unit, we can change all the accessories, and we can bring the installation up to scratch. So make sure when you get your property, get a check on the electrics, contact Home Rewire. We offer free safety checks, and we can give you advice on exactly what your home needs.